guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Hey, so I'm just here finishing up my valve cover gasket, doing the DIY on this one, filmed the entire thing. It's coming very soon, tons of video footage. God, I've used probably 30 gigabytes of video storage, so I have to go through, parse all that out, start cutting it down, make sure I have everything in line. So it's a lot to compile all that once you're done with a big DIY like this, because I stop every second, every process, so that way I can show you exactly what's going on. So I started it back in again today because I had to do some other obligations or whatever, but at 155,000 miles, my interior engine, as far as on the head part, on the cams, all that right in there, actually looks pretty good. Nice golden brown color, which that's what you want to see. I didn't see any sludge buildup whatsoever, which is kind of shocking, which is good. I'm not complaining. So that means that the previous owner, prior to 92,000 miles, took care of it really well. And then since I had ownership of it from 92,000 miles to 155,000 miles, every 5,000 mile oil changes, use good oil, and make sure to take care of all of that. When I was doing the valve cover gasket, I ran into a problem. So when I was pulling the coil packs out, guess what? They broke. My Delphi coil packs, the little rubber boot, right here, stuck around the spark plug and would not come out. I even used dielectric grease on all 6 of these when I put these in. I just put these in the summertime, this past summer, and as soon as I was pulling them out gently, I could feel like it was starting to pull apart, and then sure enough, this was bad. Now, since this whole part was stuck all the way down in there, this would have been a nightmare if I wasn't doing the valve cover gasket at the same time, because once you remove that valve cover, you're right there, and all I had to do is use some needle nose pliers to pry around it and then get it pulled off. See, that's the thing. DIYs sometimes don't always go to plan. So you need to just take your time, go through everything. If it happens to you, of course, you're doing that there. So just remember, be careful, and make sure that you're using the proper coils and the proper dielectric grease, all that kind of stuff. Now, luckily, I have some elder coil packs in my storage unit, so I'm gonna run and get those. But other than that, it's looking pretty good right here. As you can see, that's all I have left to do is put the coils in, cowl back on, and that's it. So all 6 of these are trash. Once I get that on, I'll start editing the footage for the valve cover gasket DIY, so that way you guys can see that, save you some money, but it's doable for you guys to do. Guys, thanks for stopping in. Be careful on your DIYs, take your time, ask questions, don't be in a rush, and you'll be set. Saving that money, $1,000 to $1,300, depending where you go. That's more so dealer price, so it's definitely expensive. Here to save you the money and help you out. Stay tuned for that N54 valve cover DIY. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. See you soon.